Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 15. That is lesson number 15, safety first. Text reading. There are many ways by which we can get hurt. We can be safe only if we are careful. Safety is the state of being safe. It means staying away from danger, risk, or injury. We need to be careful at home, in school, and even on the road. Safety at home. We should not play with sharp things such as a knife, a pair of scissors, a razor, a blade, etc. We should put away our toys after playing with them. Someone may fall over them. We should throw fruit peels in the dustbin. Anyone can slip over them and get hurt. We should not open doors to unknown people. We should not play with wires and switches. We should not touch things like ovens, mixers, toasters, etc. with wet hands. We should not go near burning gas stoves or electric heaters, etc. in the kitchen. We should not light the matchsticks ourselves. We should ask an adult to do so. Safety in school. We should not run on the stairs. We should not push each other. We should walk in a queue. We should not stand in front of the swings. We should wait for our turn on the slides and swings. Safety on the road. There are traffic lights at crossings which help in preventing accidents. Stop says the red light. Wait says the yellow or amber light. Go says the green light. We should never play or run on the road. We should always walk on the road with an adult, never alone. We should not put our hand out of the window of a moving car or bus. We should obey traffic rules and follow the traffic lights. We should cross the road safely. We should always try to cross the road with an adult. Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right, then left, and then right again. If the road is clear, we walk across. If it is not clear, we should wait for it to be clear. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Let us see this box. Zebra crossing with its black and white stripes on the road is so called because of it resembles the black and white coat of a zebra. Now let us see worksheet. Our first bit is missing letters. First one, IN dash URY. INJURY, injury. Number 2, SC dash S dash ORS. SCISSORS, scissors. Number 3, D dash STB dash N. Answer DUSTBIN, dustbin. Number 4, SW dash TCH dash S. SWITCHES, switches. Number 5, T dash AST dash RS. Answer TOASTERS, toasters. Next, number 6, D dash N G dash R. DANGER, danger. Number 7, M dash TCH ST dash CKS. MATCH STICKS, matchsticks. Number 8, CR dash SS dash NGS. Answer CROSSINGS, crossings. Number 9, T dash AFFIC L dash GHTS. Answer TRAFFIC, traffic. LIGHTS, lights, traffic lights. Number 10, ZE dash RA CR dash SSING. ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing, zebra crossing. Second bit, fill in the blanks. There are many ways in which we can get dash. There are many ways in which we can get hurt. Number 2, we can be dash only if we are careful. We can be safe only if we are careful. Number 3, we should cross the road at dash. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Number 4, dash is the state of being safe. Safety is the state of being safe. Number 5, we should not open doors to dash people. We should not open doors to unknown person or unknown people. Number 6, we should not run on the stairs. We should not run on the stairs. Number 7, we should cross the road dash. We should cross the road safely. Number 8, We should never play or run on the dash. We should never play or run on the road. Number 9. We should throw fruit peels in the dash. We should throw fruit peels in the dustbin. Number 10. We should put away our dash after playing with them. We should put away our toys after playing with them. Now answer the following. Write any 2 safety rules to follow at home. Children, there are many rules. You can write any 2. Here I am going to say, first one, we should put away our toys after playing with them. Second one, we should not play with wires and switches. You can write any 2. Here many are there. Okay. Now number 2, write any 2 safety rules to follow at school. First one, we should not run on the stairs. Number 2, we should not push each other. Number 3, write any 2 safety rules to follow on the road. We should never play or run on the road. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. You can write any 2. Our last bit is drawing. That is, draw the traffic lights. Okay, children, we are going to wind up. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.